Your parents won't buy you a drift-ready 200SX or a Ferrari swap GT86 as a first car? So let's talk about underrated drift cars for under 5k that are perfect starter cars for high schoolers. But before starting into this video, it's important to say that there's much more to drifting than just buying a car, and that it's not as simple as some of you may think. You need a lot of training, skill and patience before you smack your own car against the curb. So starting with the legendary BMW E46, you receive a classic German-style car with over 200 horsepower, a manual gearbox, rear-wheel drive, and with just a few mods you're ready to go sideways. What else could you need? You're not satisfied? Time for something Japanese. The Mazda MX-5, also known as the Miata. Coming with great steering, amazing weight distribution and a limited slip differential. The lightweight MX-5 will make you slide around corners like no other car could. You're still watching? Here's my last offer for you. An X Pro drift car. For a cheap and affordable $100,000 you will get yourself some of the best drift cars on the market, and because they come with engines that were built up to 1000 horsepower, I can ensure you